My name is Jennifer Hocutt, and I'm going to teach you today how to make chocolate covered strawberries. I have two audience members with me today. That's Hannah and Kobe. And so chocolate covered strawberries are a very quick, easy dessert to make. People love them. They're always the first thing's gone when you bring them to a potluck. So you don't need very many items. You need a spoon, a microwave, wax paper. I have the wax paper. You need strawberries, and they need to be washed and dried thoroughly. And then this is the main thing you need. It is dolce frutta. Dolce means sweets, and frutta means fruit of the season. And you remove the lid and the film, and what you do is microwave it, and you check it after 30 seconds that it's been microwaved. You also need one spoon. So a fun fact is the aroma is from the cacao tree, and that means food of the gods. And the cacao tree can only be found in one area. That's a hot, rainy area, the Amazon forest. And so after the first 30 seconds, you can tell it's still hard chunks, and you stir it to make sure the heat is thorough and it's melted. And then you place it back in for another 30 seconds. The first chocolate created in Spain was very heavy and thick. It was drank. And it was so good that everybody wanted to drink it all day long, and it was actually banned in the Catholics, and because people were just wanting to drink it too much. It was too indulgent. And we're going to check it again. And you have to stir it after every 30 seconds. And you can tell it's kind of melting a little bit now. It's getting a little bit of liquid consistency, but there's still some hard chunks of chocolate in there. Probably the next time it'll be finished. Another fun fact is the Cadbury of England. He was the first person to create handheld chocolate, which was the chocolate bar. And two Swiss guys in 1875 added milk to it, and that formed the first milk chocolate candy bar, and that was Henry Nestle and Daniel Peters. Ooh, that gets hot. Okay, now the chocolate has thinned out enough, and if you stir it, it will pretty much melt all the way. Sometimes if you want to, you can do it for another 30 seconds. But if you do it too much, it will start hardening again, and then your chocolate turns really ugly. So it's thinned out. So your next step is to take your dried strawberries and you grab it by the stem, and all you have to do is just dip it in here, and you let it create a swirl, and you place it onto the wax paper. And it's super easy, and all you have to do is let it cool. And we'll do a few like this. If you want it to be a little neater, because sometimes if you put this on the wax paper, the chocolate kind of pulls to the bottom and you have a hardened outer layer. That's actually called a chocolate foot. If you don't want the chocolate foot on the end and you want them to be neat, like if you're going to a more extravagant party or you want to be a little fancier, you get a toothpick and you get some kind of styrofoam and you put aluminum foil over it, and you dip you put your toothpick in your strawberry, and when you dip your chocolate even it out. Then if you actually place your strawberry up like this into your aluminum foil, then you can stand it and you can kind of create different things. And then if you wanted to, you could put like sprinkles on top. And if you could even buy the Dolce Fruta in the white chocolate, you put sprinkles. You can do all kinds of creations, and you can actually use this Dolce Fruta for more than strawberries. You can use it for oranges, raisins, cookies, and even fruitcake was actually suggested on the website. So I hope you can now make your chocolate covered strawberries, and it will be a hit at your next party. Thank you.